Hey everybody, welcome back to Art. And today we are going to be analyzing another realistic form of art. And it's this image right here by I think it's Lu Van Xing, if I recall. Well, let's take a look at this image. And before I start drawing all over this amazing image, I'm going to go ahead and just point out what image I'm talking to, which is this one. So, what do you guys think? Does it look like a photograph, or does it look like a painting? Okay, I hear some of you saying photograph or painting. And it is a watercolor, actually. It's a watercolor painting that he did. Um, and it looks amazing. It looks real. And we were talking about realism and how the goal is to try to get as close as possible to the image that they are trying to draw. And it's an image of a young child. Or what are some things that you notice about this image? And that's going to be your daily question. What are not just some things, what are three? What are three things that you notice? Okay, what are three things that you notice about this image? Remember, it is a watercolor painting, believe it or not. And um, one of the images that we had seen was American Gothic, and that was a social realism picture. And I would say that this one is a social realistic picture as well, due to the fact that the child, and I kind of don't want to mark it, but I gotta, the child has a dirty face on a dirty face, and I would think of poverty. Maybe the child is a poor child or a homeless child. There's this watercolor is very interesting, and I feel that he probably knew this child or probably saw the child on the street somewhere, and maybe they took a picture because the time period that it looks like it's from obviously would show that there are, you know, cameras. So this realistic painting by Luvan Sheng is very interesting. It speaks a lot to us about our society, on how some, they're homeless, and we try to look at that cause and have empathy. What's empathy? Okay, you try to connect it. You try to have some compassion for the people. And this is a good example of realism, especially social realism. All right, well, don't forget to fill out your daily question for today, and I hope you guys are keeping up with all your assignments. You're doing great. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And you'll find your way. You'll find your way on how to organize things. I have total faith in you guys. All right, well, I will see you guys later.